Good evening, Professor. Hope everything is well. Just thought I'd share this bit of knowledge here. The Python program, it's working great so far, but one thing I came across while working on my robot algorithm for the box challenge is I wanted to keep track of the ultrasonic values while rotating the robot or driving the robot around. And what I found out is we need to incorporate some kind of multiprocessing. Now in Robot C that was really easy because we had our task, but it's not that difficult in Python as I have figured out. I wrote a sample code here. Basically, I'm going to calculate square and cube of some numbers while the robot is spinning around. Um, so here's the threads that start, and then the robot spins, and the sleep is there's just so I can kind of test this, or so I could have tested this while it's running. So let me download the latest. So on there, run it, and we'll see that the values will be populated or will be printed while the robot is running. It takes a little while because it's over Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth today. See, he's spinning. The numbers are calculating. So, just kind of cool. I thought I would share it. Anyways, all right. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.